Welcome to Earnable Skills and to your first step into AI app creation with AIBizly. I'm Carl, and my mission is to help midlife beginners take simple, steady steps toward digital income without overwhelm, without hype, and without complicated tech. If you've been searching for something that actually makes sense, you're in exactly the right place. Over the past year, a health setback pushed me to rethink work and look for a second plan I could build from home. Starting over felt heavy. I won't sugarcoat that. But discovering AIBizly gave me a path that made sense. A calm, guided way to create apps without writing code. If you've ever felt stuck, or unsure how to begin, or wondered if it's even possible at this stage of life, I want you to know you're in the right place, and you're not alone in feeling that way. So what does AIBizly actually do? In simple terms, it turns your ideas into real working apps. You don't need to write any code. You don't need a technical background. You describe what you want, and the AI generates clean code and full interface designs automatically. The whole process moves you from idea to launched app in days, not months, not years, days. Think about that for a moment. What used to require a team of developers is now something you can do yourself. Why does this matter for you? Before AIBizly, building an app meant hiring developers, spending thousands of dollars, or getting lost in technical tutorials that assumed you already knew what you were doing. Most people quit before they ever begin. I almost did too. But AIBizly removes those barriers. It helps you become the creator, launching small apps quickly, learning at your own pace, and gaining confidence one step at a time. You're not trying to become a programmer overnight. You're simply learning to bring your ideas to life in a way that feels manageable and real. In your first week, you'll see real progress. Not someday, not eventually, in 7 days. You'll create a simple, fully working AI-powered app that solves a real problem, build a clean landing page for leads or sales, and learn a repeatable process you can use for every new idea that comes to you. By the end of 7 days, you'll have real momentum and the confidence to keep going. That first win changes everything. It shifts how you see yourself and what you believe is possible. The AIBizly training gives you a complete beginner-friendly path. You'll get more than 20 clear lessons that walk you from idea to launch. Step by step, nothing skipped. You'll also get full source code for bonus apps and ready-to-use templates you can customize immediately. This isn't just theory. You're not watching someone else build. You're building and shipping real products. Products that work, that people can use, that you can be proud of. AIBizly also opens several ways to earn, and I want to be clear, you don't have to do all of these. Pick one that feels right for you. You can build subscription-based apps, rebrand and resell included apps, create simple digital products powered by AI, automate services for clients, or use your new skills to build websites for real businesses. There's room to experiment, to try things out, and to grow at your own pace. No pressure, no rush, just steady progress. Real people are seeing meaningful progress, and I'm not talking about tech experts or 20-somethings with coding degrees. Beginners with no coding experience, people just like you, are launching simple tools like niche generators and productivity apps and getting early traction. It's a reminder that you don't need a big or complex idea to begin, just one focused concept that solves a real problem. That's all it takes to start. Why choose earnableskills.com for your AIBizly access? Because this recommendation comes from someone walking the same road, rebuilding, learning, and taking steady steps forward. I'm not a guru. I'm not selling a dream. I'm sharing what's actually working for me. I only share tools I personally use and genuinely believe can help beginners make real progress. If you value honest, beginner-friendly guidance, if you want someone who understands what it's like to start over, you'll feel right at home here. Ready to begin your AI journey? If you feel that nudge to try something new, if you're tired of waiting for the perfect moment, visit apps.earnableskills.com to access the AIBizly training. You'll get clear, beginner-friendly lessons and build your first simple working app within your first week. Not months from now, your first week. When you purchase through my link, you directly support my work at Earnable Skills, helping me continue creating resources for midlife beginners who want a fresh, realistic path forward. Small, steady steps create real momentum, and this program is designed to help you move forward with confidence. One step at a time, one app at a time, one win at a time. I'll see you inside.